The Ballad of Dixie Frazier-Gillespie. '58, the winter wind was blowing cold down in the valley where the oldest mountain tales are told. Inside the Dutch Oven Tavern, on a floor of rough-hewn pine, old Mother Nellie gave birth to a boy who'd crossed the line. Young Dixie Frazier-Gillespie grew up fast and grew up tall, a slim handlebar mustache standing proud against the wall. Always dressed in a tailored suit, the finest in the southern lands, with a lightning-fast reflection and a brace of iron hands. And the thunder cracked in Biscuit County when Dixie rode into town. 3 shots fired in the morning air before the sun went down. 14 banks across 4 long years, running wild and running free. A gentleman rode, taking gold from the banks of Tennessee. They called him an outlaw. They chased him through the deep ravine. Yeah, the sharpest dressed outlaw the valley's ever seen. 1880 came along, times were lean and times were hard. The bankers came to take his mama's house and timber yard. So Dixie walked into the vault, pulled his cold iron from his vest, fired 3 wild shots into the roof to put the clerks to the test. He paid off Nellie's debt that night, but the rush had gripped his soul. The thrill of the chase became a fire he couldn't tame at all. From Knoxville down to Memphis, every safe began to crack, leaving nothing but red dust drifting down the railroad track. And the thunder cracked in Biscuit County when Dixie rode into town. 3 shots fired in the morning air before the sun went down. 14 banks across 4 long years, running wild and running free. A gentleman rode, taking gold from the banks of Tennessee. They called him an outlaw. They chased him through the deep ravine. Yeah, the sharpest dressed outlaw the valley's ever seen. 1884 arrived, the law was closing in the space, but Dixie walked right back into his very birthplace. He had a drink at the Dutch Oven, stepped out into the midday sun, with a smile on his face, knowing that his racing days were done. The posse was waiting in the street, the copper barrels aligned. He drew his pistols one last time for the home he left behind. Born in the tavern, died on the bricks just outside the swinging door. A local legend written deep into our country folklore. And they say before the final smoke cleared out into the sky, a flash of lightning hit the ridge and caught the town's collective eye, reminding every honest soul of the boy who wouldn't yield, leaving his boots and his legacy out in the open field. chased him through the deep ravine. Yeah, the sharpest dressed shadow, the legend of the biscuit scene. Born in the tavern, died in the street.